Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Analytics with Amrita. So today we are solving a question where we have to update the city as null. So here is the question: write a update statement to update city as null for order IDs these. So let's bifurcate the question first. What we have to do: write a update statement. How we will write the update statement? First we will write update, then table name, then we will write table name. Next line set. This is the update statement. Okay, so what we have to update? We have to update city. So we will write city as null. So here we will write equal to null. And what is the condition? The condition part is, for condition part we will use where clause. Uh, what is the condition? These are the order IDs for which we have to update the cities as null. Okay, so let's write where's order ID in, sorry, these are the order ID we will mention here in inverted comma. Okay, so before proceeding, before updating, we have let's check what is the cities for the particular order ID. Okay, so for that we will write select star from orders. Okay, where order ID in this, we will put these condition to check what is the city for the particular order IDs. Okay, so let's see, let's run this query and first check what is the cities mentioned. So the cities are XYZ for the particular order IDs. So now we will update it to nulls. To update it, let's run this query again. Okay, so as it's showing 2 rows are affected, so let's run and see what it's changed to. So now it's showing null. So what do you mean by null? Null is a unknown value. It's not blank, it's not zero, it's not nothing, it's not even a string, it's not space, it's nothing, it's unknown value. So null can't be compared to anything. Null can't be uh, we can't write null as in inverted comma as well, because if we write null in inverted comma, that means we are putting it as a string here. So we can't put it because null is unknown, so we can't put it in a string. If we will put it in a string, let's see what happen. Okay, so let's update this to this inverted comma null. Okay, so 2 rows affected. Let's see the changes, what change happened here. Okay, if you see, there is a now the string it's visible as a string. The data is coming as normal as other columns as well. Okay, previously it was in yellow because it was unknown value. Now it's coming as similar as Washington, the state column and the city column. If we remove these inverted comma, then it will came in yellow. This is, that means the value is unknown for this particular row. Okay, see the difference. As you can see, this is unknown, so now it's coming in yellow. Okay, so this is how we can update a cities as null. So this is how we can solve these kind of questions. So